the VLOOKUP, and then I also want to explain I just want to explain what's the VLOOKUP. Okay, so when we are to when a VLOOKUP, it's a formula that you can use it for many different reasons, but with this video I would want to say you can use VLOOKUP to copy the information from one table to another. Let me repeat, VLOOKUP is a formula that you use to copy information from one table to another. Okay, here it's a names of patients. Okay, here it's a name of patients. Okay, and here it's names of patients. So these ones are names of patients, these ones, and here is also name of patients. These ones problems of a patient, and here therefore it's a problem of a patient. It's a problem of the patient. Now you want to copy these problems to here, so you want to highlight, right click, and copy and paste it here. Okay, now after you paste it here, it means Ramadal has a neck problem. Ramadal has a neck problem. Bobby Brown is here, has a neck pain, is a back pain, sorry, but here it says Bobby Brown has a fibromyalgia. But here, because the order in which these patients are listed here is not the same order like this one. If you just copy and paste these problems to this, it means you will mismatch the information. So VLOOKUP is the answer to help you to copy this information to here. That's the first part of this video. So let's copy this information from here to here, and it will match these cells irregardless that this order and this order is not the same. You see, number one is Randall Abrams, last person is Baby Cele. Here Baby Cele is number 3. Okay, let's do that. So to do that, you'll say equals to, and then you write the word VLOOKUP. Okay, after you write the word VLOOKUP, because you want you will select the cell in which you want to merge, and then you put a semicolon. Now this suggestive, it tells you what to put, where I've put the columns. It depends to your computer. So in the suggestive, if your computer has semicolons, you put semicolons. Other computers have comma, so it means you'll put comma. After putting comma, you highlight the table where the information is from. So you use the table where the information is from. Don't forget to press F4 from your keyboard, or don't forget to lock cells. And then after locking the cells, you'll put again semicolon or a comma depending to the computer that you are using, and you go back to the tables that you want information from. So if you want information from you want to copy this column, you will count the columns. It's 1, 2 from this table, then you put 2. After putting 2, you put a semicolon, and then you choose exactly match. Now choosing exactly match is not for in every situation. So where you work with numbers, you say approximately match, because especially if maybe you want to information, it's a range. For example, if the information is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, so that information is a range. You say not exactly match. But here, because you speak about the text, you choose exactly match so that it can appear the exactly items that appears here. Okay, and then you say enter. So it means that you have copied Ramandal Abrams. It's Ramandal Abrams. It's back. It's a neckward muscle. So when you autofill this, table baby Cele, it's a back pain. Bobby Brown, it's a back pain. So David Davids is a sport injury. David Davids is a sport injury. So it just had copied that information from this table to this table, and it has matched these people irregardless that the order in which these patients appeared is not the same. That is the first part that I wanted to explain. So you can use the same approach to create a search for yourself. Let's say maybe I take these two and then I boiled them like this. Okay, so I put a VLOOKUP here. I say equals to VLOOKUP. Okay, after saying VLOOKUP, I say this one, I put a semicolon, and then I highlight the table where I want the information from, and then I put again semicolons. Then I want the information to appear here from the second column of the table. Then I'll put 2 because I want the information to appear from the second columns. And then I say this one, and then I say exactly match, and then I close the bracket, I say enter. Okay, so it says not available. It means the information is not available, but I've created the search. So if I say baby Cele, for example, I say baby, okay, space Cele, and then I say enter. So baby Cele, the back pain appears because baby Cele is back pain. And then when I delete here baby Cele, maybe I type David Brown, and then I say enter. It's not David, it's David Davids, or it's Bobby Brown. So we don't have David Brown, it's Bobby space Brown. When I type Bobby Brown here, I say enter, it tells me that baby Brown, the information about baby Browns. Okay, so that's where I end my video today. So you have used a VLOOKUP for 2 options. The first option, it was to copy this information to here, and then it just copied this information from here to here, and it just matched the people irregardless of the order, that the order is not the same. The second purpose of VLOOKUP is just to search information. For example, when we want to check what is the problem of Gavin Gamer, okay, we'll just type here Gavin Gamer. Okay, Gavin Gamer, what is A? And then the problem of Gavin Gamer is A. So it doesn't matter, you can take it from another table to another table and all that. Thank you. I hope this video makes sense. Danko, okay, thank you.